Everybody, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? I hope you will be very fine. And today in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to use your smartphone for improving English skills, for improving English speaking skills. Right. So in this video, I will share with you how to use this smartphone, how to use our phone for improving English speaking skills. Right. So before we jump our main topic, I have a request for you. If you are someone who new in this my channel, please subscribe this channel. It's helped me for growing my channel and it's helped me to keep me motivated. It's keep me motivated for making more videos. So, okay, how to use our mobile for improving English speaking skills. First of all, I want to share with you, use your mobile to listen English videos. Yes, you heard me right. Use your mobile to listen to English videos, right? Because if you want to learn any kind of language, if you want to speak any kind of language, first of all you have to listen. You have to listen a lot that language. Now, because when you listen a language, what you want to learn, that language, what you want to learn. First of all, you have to listen, and when you listen a lot, your input will increase, your input method, your input will be strong. So first of all, you can use your mobile to listen English videos. And the second thing is that when you listen, use your mobile for making videos, for practicing. Not I'm saying you want to become a more fluent speaker, but I want to say that use your phone to record yourself. Because when you record your videos, when you record yourself by using this mobile, you will see difference and you will get confidence how to speak in front of camera. You will get confidence how to speak in front of person. So it is a very important thing. If you have any friends, like, and you have a mobile smartphone, then you can use this and you can improve your English speaking skills. So the first thing as I told you, you have to listen English content videos, and when you listen, after listening English videos, you have to try to speak, and then you have to try to speak, and you can use your mobile by, you can say that, you can see, I'm recording myself because I want to improve my English. Even my English is not good. I'm speaking wrong English. I know, but I don't care about my mistakes because I'm learning English language. So if you are curious to learn this language, if you have desire to learn this language, you will have to record yourself, and you will have to listen. After recording your videos, you have to listen, and you can compare your between your first videos and the previous videos and after that videos. So the second thing is that you have to record yourself. And third thing, if you are to become a good speaker, and if you want to become a good English speaker, you have to also write. Yeah, you heard me right. You have to write down what you have listened, you know because the input, when you listen, it's called input, and when you speak, and when you record yourself, and when you write something, it's called output. Because any language, if you want to improve easily, and if you want to very fast to improve any kind of language, you have to speak and you have to write. So these all things you can text with your friends, you can chat by in this language with your friends. So mobile is one of the best, good and very special platform to improve your English speaking skills. As I know, I had no mobile, but when I bought my mobile, I used my mobile to learn English speaking skills. As you can see, I'm keeping hard work, and as you can see, I'm making video just by improving improving communication skills. That's why I'm making video. I'm recording myself. So you have to figure it out if you want to learn If you want to speak English language, you will have to write, and you can use this mobile for writing something. You can chat with your friends. You can text. You can write some stories by using your mobile. Okay, so these are things you can improve your by using your mobile. Okay, maybe it will be enough for today's. So at the end of this video, I want to share with you, if you have a smartphone, use your smartphone wisely. And if you want to improve your English speaking skills, you can learn English language. You can learn English language by using your smartphone. As you know, you can see I'm using my smartphone wisely, and I'm using my smartphone how to improve my for improving my English English communication skills. So okay, in this video, like and subscribe this video and share this video, and comment how did you get this video, and comment this in the comment me how did you get this video. Okay, assalamu alaikum.